Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Samantha here. I'm jumping straight to the video today and I'll be showing you how I pre-poo my hair using aloe vera and an oil mixture. Now if you're interested to see this routine, please continue to watch, and if you're new, welcome to my channel. Please subscribe if you love my content and join the family, and if you're a returning subscriber, what's up? Let's jump right into it. So I got my aloe vera straight from the plant, and it's quite easy to prepare the aloe vera for this process. What I'm going to do is just wash the aloe, and then I'll be removing the edges and slicing them in half before putting it in my hair. Aloe vera has a ton of benefits for your hair. It helps to calm an itchy scalp, it strengthens your hair strands, it promotes hair growth, which I know is one of the #1 reasons as to why persons use aloe vera. And I must say that that's one of the main reasons as to why I'm using aloe vera today. But it also helps to reduce hair fall, it reduces frizz, and it improves shine. So this is what my hair looks like on a wash day. It's very dry. It's time for some extra TLC. So the first thing I'm going to be doing is separating my hair in sections, dampening my hair, and then adding the aloe, and then I'll be putting in some secret special oil, which I'll be sharing with you guys soon before washing my hair. So it's time for the special part. I'm adding in the aloe to my hair, and take a look at all that goo. The gel, oh my gosh, it really makes your hair has this slip. So when you're detangling, it's so easy. I had no problems at all to detangle my hair for wash day. So you know, who is going to incorporate this every single time I'm washing my hair? I was so surprised. I almost forgot how good aloe vera is and feels in the hair. Ensure that you're rubbing the aloe in every section of your hair. Pay close attention to your scalp and just rub this perfection all over them strands, sis. As you can see, my hair was detangled in a matter of minutes. The comb was literally running through my hair, and I had some form of definition peeking through, which was quite entertaining for me because curls are popping. My hair is feeling juicy and soft, and I was just so excited to get this wash day going. Curls come through, we see you, we appreciate you, you know the vibes already. So I'll just be repeating this process throughout my entire hair, and then I'll just show you the aftermath, which is really a twist out because that's my #1 go-to hairstyle. Aloe vera is not only good for your hair, it also has a ton of benefits for the skin. It helps to moisturize your dry skin if you have dry skin. It also helps if you have sunburn, and I've used it on my face before to help to fight acne and blemishes. It removes dark circles and puffiness. It relieves eczema and psoriasis, and it also helps to eliminate dead skin cells. So girl, if you have aloe, Just rub the aloe all over your body. Before you go ahead and add that aloe all over your body, if you take my advice, please note that aloe has this type of itching sensation. It fades away after a while, but if you're not used to it, you can be a little uncomfortable. That's the only con I have with aloe vera. So the final step after detangling my hair is putting my hair away in a shower cap, and then I'll be taking my hair down the next day. So I'm taking down my hair and I'm actually so excited to feel the moisture that's going to be oozing from my strands. I'm so excited. My hair is soft, it's shiny, it's detangled. The aloe has definitely conditioned my hair, and I know the oil mixture had a lot to do with it as well. So we're coming to the end of this video. The final step includes washing my hair, and then I'll be adding in some twists. And I'm using the Cream of Nature leave-in conditioner, my Cantu coconut curling cream, and the final loving step is I'll be sealing my hair with 100% natural shea butter. That's it, guys. Please comment and let me know if you've ever used aloe in your hair. Thank you so much if you've made it to the end of this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.